Hey guys, we received this VXDAS TPMaster TPMS Relearn tool for GM TPMS reset tool. So this one is actually used for tire sensors. So to relearn tool for the pressure monitor system and the TPMS activation tool. So let's just open. You can see one TPMS tool is have a D battery that you have to put in. So the battery don't come with it, so you have to get on your own and then you can just use it directly. So once you put in, you have to just start and put it near to your tire pressure. In the car, you have to set your TPMS to relearn, and then you have to just put in the machine. So this have this protective rubber case so that it will protect it, and then you can just get your car relearn the TPMS thing with the right pressure so that this will open up and then your tire pressure sensors will relearn this TPMS thing.